Simpson, whenever he's been fit, things have been happening for Wolves. Paisley, they've got numbers up now. Branch, first time across, Flo, turns beautifully! Harvard Flo, after just 4 minutes. And look at this for a striker's goal. Move forward again. Emlyn trying to get on the end of it. Flo! Oh, isn't that cute? Not a very good header from Emlyn, but look at this for a finish. Flo acrobatically right in the corner. Wolves have two. Looking clearance, but it finds its way through. So it's still got the team in form. This is Clapham out on the left-hand side. Beautifully inside his man, right foot cross comes across. Scowcroft with a quarter of an hour to go, and he scored the winner in the corresponding fixture. He's put Ipswich back in the game.